Hello, hey guys. Hope you're all doing well. So it's just a general catch up, like how you guys doing and stuff. So in case if you have any questions and in case if you have any requirements from us, like BTech Career Guide, what are the things that we're gonna do in upcoming future? Like for example, few people asked me to post this Q&A questions. Okay, like for example, giving a code snippet and we need to find the correct output. So which we have already did previously. Okay, so that's a thing. Okay, let me share this to a couple of people. Share close. Okay, so hi buddy, hope you're all doing well. Let me share this. Mm-mm. So we have lot of groups running in our so that they can also join in our meet. Okay, chip 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 chip. Sometimes this WhatsApp really mess up everything. When you send a message in WhatsApp, what will happen is it takes a lot of time to what I don't know to send the message. Okay, lot of tablets. Let me start. I've shared the link to all the people. I don't know how many people will be joining in the live session. Uh, I just want to know whether it's very good. Type it here. Um, what do you expect from BTech Career Guide community? Yeah, that's fine. Um, so only question. What do you expect from us? Okay. So basically, a few people have texted me regarding to post this question Q&A questions. Okay, an interview type of questions, and I am on it. So I'll be releasing a React developer interview questions shortly. Okay, and also I'm planning to what we call planning to create some shorts on this code snippets, which means like I will be giving you the code, so you need to predict the output, and there are few things where you need to guess the error in the code. So which we already did previously, but due to time constraints, I didn't post much shots on that. So let me do that. Before that, okay, let me open my YouTube. Excuse me. Okay, let me share my screen. BTech YouTube channel. Okay, so hope you are all able to see the screen, right? Okay, nice. So these are the shots. Okay, once we go to this, there's a few things which I went to Aruku and stuff, and previously initial days when these YouTube channel started. So initially I used to post like this. So find the error in the question and then find the output. So guess the output kind of thing. And the people really came up forward to answer all those things. Okay, so I'll be coming up with those shots again. Okay, I will be putting some um, short videos on that so that it will be able for the students who are recently graduating from the college. Okay, so I'll be creating a lot of stuffs. So recently I'll be doing it. Okay, and then this gets the output one thing they have asked. Okay, and then the second one is the find the error, which we have done previously. Okay, so I'll be bringing this two again in shorts. Okay, I'll be posting some random things. I'll be going from basic to the advanced level. Okay, so I will be taking each and every topic. So in that topic I'll be giving you all the output. And I think I got a message. Okay, From no one. Okay, that's fine. So I'll be posting from topics to topics. Okay, which will be easy for you to grab the concept. Okay, and also give you some programs where you can directly write the code. And these are some funny memes. This I think this is when 500 subscribers. I don't know when we reach this 500 subscribers, but it's a huge milestone. That's a basic thing. Let me see the description. So it's around 2003 October. We got the 500 subscribers for BTech Career Guide. That's nice, right? So we can we
నా కోసమే కాదు మా వాళ్ళ కోసం పెడతాం.
jump to
థ్యాంక్ యూ థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఏం చెప్పగలను ఇంతకన్నా? నా కోసమే కాదు.
I see I'm very bad at this music selection test. Okay, so I've selected some random music for this and I post it. Okay, let me go to this popular one and then this is one such thing, guys. One of the user have asked, it is possible to switch the tabs while processing the exam, and I made a funny video on that.
అరే నిన్నెవడైనా టీ తాగించి మరీ కొట్టాడ్రా? కూర్చో.
See how it is possible, man. We can't shift the tabs. Okay, in case unless and until if there is no tracking, we can do. If there is a tracking, then we can't do. And we got 4.8k views for that, and this 4.8k, 4k. Nice, good. What we call good stuff. Good views on this, and this is me. Don't worry. I used to look smart when I was in my college, but later I stopped my exercises. I stopped doing exercises, and this is how I become. Okay, so you need to do a lot of exercises, guys, or else you will be becoming just like me, the fatto. Oh, okay. So like this is one thing from meme to programming, which I was
Hey
inspired
guys,
later. I will look at this video. So in the video, the Spider-Man has keys, his helmet, and his bag, right? So in the same manner, in programming, we need to have the list dot remove. So what we'll be doing, this remove will accept the string format of object present in the list. So like if you want to remove the key, so this remove function will be removing the key from the Spider-Man list. So let us print the Spider-Man. So if we click on run, you can observe that the key has been removed from the Spider-Man list. Now they are only helmet and bag. So likewise, you can remove any of the element in Python.
hey guys,
So it
I will
was
look at
discussed
this video.
previously, so I were a bit English pronunciation so that's how I used to do. But later, you know, doing good in English. I used to speak so fast in my school days also. Okay, so later on, I tried to reduce my speed so that other can understand my English. Okay, I used to speak when I used to. Yeah, I used to what we call. I used to speak English in a such a way that nobody understands what I speak. And there is one such incident in my intermediate. One of my faculty, Ganesh sir, when he told me to speak something in English, then I stood up. Then I spoke for 1 or 2 minutes without any breaks. Okay, and he told me like you can also speak in English. Just he gave me a sentence like you can all there is a possibility like there is a chance of there's a chance to you that you can speak in English. Okay, so then I realized like nobody's understanding my language the way I speak. Okay, so from then onwards I started to speak bit slow, not that much fast as as before. And you know, so when I speak faster, I don't search for this vocabulary kind of thing. So I go with the face, I go with all the vocabularies. I'll be getting all this vocabularies and stuff without any grammar mistakes. But when I gaps, I need to give the punctuations. Okay, so that was one of the funniest thing in my college days. My faculty asked me to speak in English, which I'm doing, man, which I'm doing. But he told, okay, this is not the thing, Akhil. So you need to speak, you need to reduce your speed so that others will be able to understand. Okay, so from then, I'm speaking a bit slow. Now also nobody won't understand what I speak. Okay, so unless and until if it is a slow in English. Okay, so hi man. So the one user who is watching this live session, so we are coming up with again this find the error. Okay, the man gone. So the find the error as well as the guess the output. So we'll be getting all those things shortly. Don't worry. This is a live. Like see, what is happening is climate is changing daily. Climate is changing, and if you if you migrate to one place to another place, you need to have some water from that particular place. Okay, so recently I traveled to my home, so there I had some certain water, and then again I went to Vijayawada, there I have had certain water, and then I came to Isaac again, here I had certain water, and then the climate of Isaac is unpredictable. We don't know how that climate will be in Vizag, especially in Vizag. So we can predict in other states like in Vijayawada it will be summer in some in the months of May and June. But in the months of May and June also, sometimes it rains here, and sometimes it becomes too cool in Vizag. So the climate of Vizag is unpredictable. So what be uh, what we call just be there is a sentence called prevent rather than cure. Okay, what am I trying to tell you is like, so the climate is changing from now onwards. Just make sure you wear your mask properly. Okay, your sweaters, get your sweaters on. Okay, so or else you'll be getting fever. Okay, so like me, I'm suffering from fever from past 3 days, and from the Friday I guess I just laid on my bed. Okay, that's it. I'm doing like my bed also started getting heat. That's how the temperature in my body is. Okay, so have some nice food, get some nutrition, get some protein. Okay, do some exercises, just burn your calories. Don't say like, okay, you're looking fat. Okay, I'm fat. I agree, I'm fat. Okay, but this fat is good because I don't feel much stressed or um what we call much tired when I walk for a certain miles. Okay, I only feel stressed only if I eat more. Or if I eat more, I get tired. Like, how much you eat, your stomach is bursting, man. Stomach is bursting. No, I think I need to clean my spits properly for tomorrow morning. There is no proper agenda for this video, but I just came live for you to solve your silly questions, especially. Okay, let's see some comments on our YouTube videos. Let's go to some comments on the popular YouTube video. Um, Popular video, which is a popular video. This Mitsugo, just remove that Mitsugo, and let's take this. Where is this second rank new code? So this is the latest one, right? So let's take this one. Okay, so let's go to the comments. So I have given the code in two languages, which is Python 3 and Java. I've given the two links, and most of the people have taken the code. Okay, did well, excellent, which they always do. That's really nice. So I've given the code in Python 3 and Python 2. Sorry, Python 3 and Java. They have written excellent. So you can see the comments below. Okay, so once we scroll down a bit, so here you see there is a guy. Today, 8 days ago, today I completed my academic internship test. Thanks to the guidance from this amazing channel. Words can't express my appreciation for his support. From his support, is incredible, friendly, and genuinely helpful. Like a friend, please support genuine people like him. Thank you so much, Gan. Thank you so much. That's really made me. So I thought of, okay, in this comment, man, this really so cool. Okay, I pin that, and just small appreciation from my side. You know, so what happened is like most of the people, even I disclosed the code, and uh, this funny thing is like these people. So I'm not pointing out this the people who have commented below. They have did excellent well, but there are the few people, okay, who don't know how to write the code, which means like they know how to write the code, but they are not familiar with this online platform things. So online code environment, how you need to write, how you need to execute the code. Okay, so how are the test cases, how are the hidden test cases are, um, and again where we need to start the code, what is the difference between pass keyword. Okay, so many people, and one person, this he just shocked me. Ah, what he did was, so I have sent the code, so with the def get solution something. Okay, I think in the video I think it will be, so this is the code, right? Get distance of, so I gave the code, so he took the code from us, and then again he started writing get distance of word. So I was like, man, you have already have the function definition, you just need to write the hidden code, so the code which is inside the function block. And he was like, what? And I was like, also, what? Okay, what, man, you don't know about the function definition? Do you know about the function calling? He said, sorry bro, could you please point out me a particular location? I was like, then I realized it's not the mistake of that particular person, it's the mistake of the faculty who is teaching this language. Okay, it's the candidates who don't know how to write the code, okay, from the start. So how you know, I can't tell you in the words also, you don't know about this function calling and function definition also. And he's writing the Sagar rank coding test, which he want to have a certain nice package in his background. Man, first learn the basics. Learn the basics first. Learn the basics. Then only you can do anything. Without basics, nobody give you the use packages. So one of the thing is like, basically every people will be wanting to get this high package, 30 LPA, 40 LPA packages. But what is lagging is they're not following the process to reach that particular package. Okay, so the people, they will be learning this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and they will be in a point that, okay, I am in a position to get this 40 LPA package, 1 crore package, 70 LPA package, and stuff, or 12 LPA, 15 LPA. The process, the road way to go to that particular what we call that particular package is different. Okay, that particular package roadmap is built in such a way that you need to learn all the things. You need to be mastered in one programming language, one framework. You need to solve lot of DSA questions, lot of basic questions, medium questions, hard questions. Okay, you need to create proper LinkedIn profile, proper what you call coding profile. Okay, and you need to give lot of mocks exams. You need to do lot of research papers. Okay, so this roadmap which is there to reach that particular package, everyone is following up. Okay, so they're not following this particular roadmap to reach that particular package. So 12 LPA, 15 LPA, 40 or 30 LPA. So if you think my focus is to get a 30 LPA package, you need to follow all the steps. Okay, you need to build a proper resume, you need to solve a lot of questions. Okay, first of all, you need to learn the language, you need to learn the one particular language. Okay, then only you'll be a position to learn one certain framework. If you take Python, one Python language, so I'm telling to learn Python in such a way that you are in a position to solve all the DSA questions. Okay, in case if you get a question from trees or graphs or queues or list, anything linked list or list, so you should be in a position to solve all those questions. Unless and until if you are not in such in that position, which means you are lacking in that programming language. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you. Unless and until if you learn this one programming language perfectly, you should not dive into any other thing. Okay, learn, master all this, master this programming language, and then try to solve the coding questions. So I'm not directly telling you to dive into these online coding platforms, Greek for Greeks, Lead Code, Neat Code, Code Chef, HackerRank, HackerEarth. I'm not telling you to directly dive into those coding platforms. Learn till the basics of programming. For Python, learn till dictionaries. For C, learn till structures. Okay. For Java, learn till arrays and stuff. Okay. So now you will be in a position to solve all the questions, not all, but mostly the most what you call. I'm unable to frame the sentence. Most questions on this online platform. So now, without you knowing what is an array, what's the structure in C, and what's the union in C, and what is a dictionary, how it is framed, and what are the inbuilt functions that are used on a dictionary, if you don't know them, what will happen? You'll be you won't execute the code, right? So you won't get what the logic it is and how the functionality will be. And I have told one of my intern, like is what he was doing is like you want to change the button from sign into Google. There is a button sign up to Google, and he want to make it to sign into Google. Then he was trying to it is a React code, and he was trying to do text changes on it, so which is not applying because the Google component is given by the Google itself. Okay, so we need to take that component and we need to do the modifications. But what is happening is this Google is not supporting the text changes. Okay, now what we need to do, so we don't know how we need to do that particular thing. The next thing which we need to do is like we need to go to the library functions. Okay, so we need to go to the inbuilt JS. Okay, so what was happening? Okay, something has opened. Anyways, I told him to go to this library functions, library files, which means like this node files, etc. So go to that files and export the Google component thing, Google button component. Okay, and later we have saw there is a property called sign in. Okay, so we have used that particular sign in which reflected the changes which we don't need the particular text change. In place of particular text change, we directly got the sign in button, which is really good, right? So that's what we want. Like people should know how to debug the code. Okay, we need to find the resources. How we need to go to that particular point also in case if you encounter any issue. So what is the process to reach that particular issue? Either reading documentation or doing some research on the Google. Okay, or getting help from the people who are mastering that particular thing is fine. Okay, so why am I telling is like so you have a good knowledge on particular programming language. That's good, really good. But so you need to do a lot of research. So if there is a function called list, why that list is how the list is working. Okay, you need to do a lot of operations. You need to go to the library functions, what is list and what are the particular methods that are on the list, or create your own function, guys. Create your own function in the list. Okay, so when I was in my btech first year, we used to have this language called C. What I did was I went to this library function, library files, and I wrote code called function akil, and so and so. So in place of printf, I have given akilf. Code worked. Okay, so that's how I used to do when I was in my btech. I used to go to the files and I used to manipulate, and sometimes the code blocks, the software which we have used to. Okay, let me stop here. The software which we have used for doing this coding has stopped working. Okay, so hi bro, I'm on. How are you doing? um, the code block stopped working. Then I thought, okay, I can just revert all your changes and bring the changes back. Okay, so unless and until if you don't do an operation on that particular software or particular language, you won't learn much thing. Okay, so you need to do a lot of research. This research, which means like you need to do, for example, if there is an issue for me in my local code, so I'll be trying to fix it up. Okay, so by going into these docs or some Stack Overflow or ChatGPT from past 1 year, we're getting this ChatGPT resources. Okay, so we have the resources. Okay, okay, sure, Mohan, definitely. I'll be giving you, wait a second. I'll be giving you this Telegram channel link. Wait a sec. So this is our channel link. Okay. So I have posted lot of jobs in that particular Telegram link. From in the morning also, I have posted some jobs regarding the Python developer. Yeah, Python developer. I have reached the one position CGI. They are hiring for Python developer for this package of 5 to 10 LPA. Okay. Let me share my screen. I think that would be better for you to understand much. Okay. Mm, Let me zoom in out and then yeah, let me do this. Taran. Okay, let me share my screen. BTechCareerGuide. Boom. So here you go. So this is our Telegram channel, BTechCareerGuide. Okay, you can join in that particular channel. So you'll be having a lot of posts which I usually post daily. But from the past few days, I was feeling unwell. I got fever, and I didn't open my laptop, my phone. Okay, so I couldn't post much jobs in the group also. In the morning, I posted few jobs which are related to the Python developer positions. So let me go through that job details. Okay, the first one, which is Atlassian, they have released front-end developer for the CTC of 30 to 40 LPA, and here you go with the link. The next one is Wells Fargo, they have released software engineer for the package of 25 to 45 LPA, and here you go with the link. The next company is from CGI, which is the Python developer. The CTC is 5 to 10 lakhs per annum. So this is the role which you are looking for, right? So just go ahead with the link, just apply. Okay, so that would be really helpful for you. And the next company is from Providence. They have released software engineer for the full stack for the CTC of 10 to 20 LPA, and here you go with the link. The next company is from AI. They have released full software engineer for the full stack. The CTC is 20 to 40 LPA, and here you go with the link. The next company is from Amazon Prime. They have released software development engineer for the position of, sorry, for the position software development engineer. CGC is 20 to 35 LPA. And here you go with the link. The next company is from Barclay. They have released full stack developer for the role of 12 to 20 LPA. Here you go with the link. The next company is from Coach. They have released QA engineer. CTC of 6 to 10 LPA. And here you go with the link. Okay. So these are all the jobs. Yeah. No problem. Thank you, bro. So these are the jobs which I usually post in the Telegram channel. Okay. So what you do, you join in the Telegram channel, irrespective of the date and time. Okay, which I post daily. What you do, you go into that particular channel. You'll be finding the previous post also. Open a link which you are, yeah, which you are suitable for that particular position. Open that link and try to apply. Okay, so I have selected few more things in case if you are looking for an internship. I brought something. Let me open my LinkedIn. Okay, wait a second. Let me open my LinkedIn. I think I have not saved that particular thing. Okay, so there is an internship for this fresher candidates for 2025 and 2026 for the Merge Stack, React, and UX, UI, and UX developer. Okay, don't worry, irrespective of the batch, I'll be bringing the lot of opportunities. Just join our Telegram channel, or you can join our WhatsApp group also, WhatsApp community group. Which wait a second. Taran. Same, everything is same. Okay, so what I post in the community is a thing which I post in this Telegram also. Okay, so all are same, all the channels, all the information is same. But one thing is like you'll be getting a priority support in case if you join in our WhatsApp group. So I'll be sharing the WhatsApp group also in case if you want to add your friends, you can add them up too. Okay, but one thing, there are certain rules for the group to be followed. Okay, so I don't want other people to mess up everything in the group. Okay, so you can use this group link to join in our particular YouTube community, WhatsApp community group, and I am the admin of that group. Okay, so in case if you have any doubts, just you can directly text me up there. Okay, or else no problem, you can directly join in the Telegram and you can ping me up there. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. And is there any possible? Mm, Good question. But as of now, in our company, there is a requirement for 5 plus and 8 plus years. So, in case if you are a fresher, so or an experienced candidate, less than that experience which our company required. So let me share the details of my company. Okay, wait a second. Mhm. So wait, I'll be showing the requirements from our company. So in case if you have any people, your relatives, or in case if they want to switch a job, just tell me. I'll give them refer. Okay. So I'll be wait a second. Let me open this. Mm-mm-mm. నేనే గుర్తరోబు డోరే మోన్ ఆకాశాన్ని తాకు పక్షినతను యా helicopter. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, let me close this down. Let me close this and then. Oh, wait a second. Let me open this. My favorite example draw, and then I'll copy this, paste it. Okay, let me share my screen again, which is an Excel draw. See guys. So these are the open positions as of now in our companies. Okay, so they are looking for an Angular developer who have an experience of 5 plus years. Okay, the location is Bangalore. The tech stack Angular, HTML, CSS, TypeScript, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and they're looking for sentiment and due intelligence analyst for the experience of 3 plus years, and performance tester who have an experience of 5 plus years, and biometrician who have an experience of 2 plus years, and senior test engineer who have an 8 plus years of experience, and playwright automation test engineer who have 5 plus years, and AI and ML engineer who have 6 plus years. So these are the job vacancies as of now in our company. Okay, so in case if you find, Ayugander, how are you? So in case if you find the people who suits for this particular position, just pick me up. I will be referring them. Or else, don't worry, you can join our Telegram channel. Okay, I'll be posting a lot of opportunities for the fresher people passed out from 2000. I'll be focusing on from 2019 batch. So from 2019 to 2026, 27 people also. I'll be posting a lot of opportunities in our Telegram channel, community, and then WhatsApp group. Okay, feel free to join there. Okay, you will be finding the daily job updates there. Okay, so don't worry, I'll be coming up with lot of things. So that's the thing, guys. So let me stop staring. So these are the vacancies. I can give the referral for the people who have the experience, but for the freshers, you need to wait. You need to wait till April. Okay. So if you are a fresher, which means like 2025 batch, you need to wait till April, so that I can give you the referral. Okay. And there is a catch. Even I have referred you for that particular trainee software engineer. You need to clear the round one. Okay, and you need to clear the round two, which is a group discussion. So round one consists of you coding round questions, and I think they'll be giving you 3 or 4 coding round questions you need to solve. For example, let me take this like this. So they'll be giving you five coding questions, and you need to solve 3 coding questions. Minimum three, so maximum it's up to you. So minimum three, you will be getting selected, and sometimes you need to do all the things in case if they give 3 coding questions. Okay, and there are two things. So if they use our coding platform, then it is easy to crack. Okay, if they use hacker rank or hacker earth, it is very difficult to crack. Okay, uh, that's the thing that you need to remember. And in case if you clear the round one, the round two is group discussion round. Okay, there you need to speak nice English, good English. Okay, without any gaps. You should be fluently, so that, so what is in your mind, that has to be communicated clearly to the people, to all the people of all the divisions. Okay, then fine, you are in. Once you clear all this round, then it is easy. You can come up to the, you can directly get placed. Okay, so in case as a fresher, if I refer you also, you need to be strong to clear all the rounds. Okay. Uh, that's it, guys. In case if you have any doubts, just tell me. And one more thing, one more nice update from us. I'm coming up with short reels. Okay, So which I usually did when I created this channel. Okay, so when I created these channels, in case if you go to our YouTube shorts to the oldest, okay, let me share this, let me share screen. So once if you go to our YouTube channel and then shorts, and then oldest shorts, so you see, so there are few things like there are few shorts which I posted, like guess the output and find the error. These shorts are coming up from tomorrow. Okay, so I'm getting these shots again. Okay, so I'll be giving you the code snippet, you need to find the error in it. So I'll be giving you the code snippet, you need to find the output of that particular code. So this is the next update from our channel. So I'll be making certain time to create all those reels. Okay, it's just clicking on export to adding some text. Okay, adding some images, and you need to frame the questions and stuff. Okay, so I'll be coming up with these shots. Most of the people have asked me for this kind of shots, so initially I posted, but later on due to time constraints, and we majorly focus on this job updates, right? So I start posting that. So from tomorrow onwards I'll be picking up also, picking that. So I'll be getting you lot of reels. Okay, so just by scrolling your shots you need to get some knowledge in your brain. Okay, that's that's the update, one update from our channel. And there are few people oh, in a second, there are few people who have asked me to do this aptitude and reasoning. um then I told um I'll be doing it because it was a long ago when I started doing all these things, but now I forgot. uh, but in case if I do some revision, I'll be getting it again, so don't worry. I'll be doing it some aptitude and reasoning kind of thing. So I need to get some stance, I need to get some required equipments to set up the phone to record and all. So initially I used to have this actually weird up channel there. I posted and everything, but it's on all the college mail. So the college mail was removed and the channel also gone. Okay, and then I used to have a lot of lakhs of views on that particular you know subject subject playlist. But it's a college account, I couldn't able to run that, and I've migrated to this new YouTube channel, BTechCareerGuide, which is focused mostly on this job updates. But we have came far away from 0 subscriber to 2.4 subscribers. It's a long story. We have faced many adults in the journey. Like sometimes we feel like, oh, like we are not getting that much requirement. There are few people who recently started the channel. They have my friends also. uh there is one member whom I know really near, whom I know nearly. She started, I think she started the channel 1 month, not 1 month ago. She started the channel, okay, 1 month ago, and I think she has a 20K subscribers in just a span of 1 month. I was like, really? Like I was doing it from the past 1.5 year. See, what is happening is like, this most people, the college students. I'm not generalizing the things, but what is happening is like when they open this social media kind of thing, they are mostly prone to this entertainment kind of thing. Okay. Uh, Initially when I was in my college days, I used to do what I do used to do. Like I used to watch this Jabardast and stuff. Okay, I used to watch this Jabardast in incognito mode because I don't want to save that particular history. I don't want that history to be saved in my system. Okay, so there is one thing also I used to say. My friends, people all will be deleting the history, but I will be searching it in the history. That was nice. Like when if I get any doubt, like I used to go to the history and I used to type the thing. So because I already typed it. Sir, in which role are you working? I Sheikh. I'm a software engineer with the 2.5 years of experience. Software development. Ui. Okay, so I work on React and Laravel. Okay, React.js and Laravel, PHP Laravel framework. Okay, I'm good. Thanks for asking, man. Um, Apart from that, I also know some technologies, that's basic technologies. I do programming a lot, but don't ask me about my coding profile, which is really bad. I don't maintain. Okay. Many people have asked me this also, like, you don't know, you don't have any coding profile, how you are able to solve all these questions. Initially, this COVID did very bad. One day, what I did was, after completing my BTech first year, first semester, there is a faculty called Sheshu sir. Okay, in our college, is highly intellectual faculty. I really admire him. So I mailed him regarding the coding questions that you need to solve as a fresher, and he have sent me the bulk of coding questions, just questions. You have sent me the questions, bulk questions, around 200 plus questions, I guess. I don't have the email as of now, so send me lot of questions. And from that day, I started doing these questions locally. Okay, I should do the code and I should save the code. So that's how I started making this. I started building this logic. Okay, I started making it an habit. So you need to. So by looking at the question, I'll be getting some logic in my mind. Okay, so Akhil, this is the logic, this is the inbuilt functions, this is the library function that you need to do use. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so that's how I trained in my college days. But you should not blame COVID also by some reason. Okay, it gave us lot of time to like find ourselves in the peaceful environment. uh, but it was nice days, guys. The COVID days were really amazing, but really thankful. uh, I didn't get COVID. And none of us, again, none of my friends. um but we took this co-vaccine thing, I think COVID-shield, I guess. um I Arjun, uh there is a possible way, Arjun, there is a possibility to refer. But as of now, we are looking for this experienced candidates who are having experience of 3 plus 5 plus and 8 plus years in that particular domain. Okay, as a fresher, I'm really sorry, you need to wait till April to get refer from us, like from me. You need to wait till April. Okay, or what you can do, you can join our Telegram channel. I am posting a lot of jobs in our group. Okay, in our group and community, you can apply from there also. Okay, so tell me your batch. I'll be getting some internships also. Okay, like Sheikh, Uganda, Mohan. Tell me your batch. Okay, tell me your batch, which pass out batch you are. So I'll be getting you the internships. Okay, I'll be getting the links. Okay, I don't give you the internship. Okay, I'm not the authorized people. Sir, in which role you're working? Haven't I answered the same? Okay, I Sheikh. I'm working as a software engineer. Okay, software engineer, full stack developer. E- Okay, let me. Where did I stop? Sorry, forgot. Okay, so I had this COVID shield, and recently news announced that people who took COVID shield are prone to get heart attacks. I was like, oh my god. Unless and until if you do exercises, that's why I stopped and became so fat. Okay, that's not the reason, but to build some muscles, you need to have certain fat in your body. So get the fat, build the muscle. That's the mantra. Likewise, frame the structure, frame your path, frame your roadmap to get success. As simple as that. This is your mantra, it should be followed. Okay. And tell me, what are your doubts, guys? The people who are watching the live. Okay, I'm here to address your concerns. I already told you the plan which you am bringing up. Okay, so I will be giving you shots. Okay, I'll be pushing the shots in the group community also. Just do the exercises. Don't check the GPT or don't use Google to get the code or the output. Just try yourself. Don't worry. So we are beginners. Okay, so we are beginners. We commit mistakes. We learn from the mistakes, but we won't repeat that mistake again. That's the thing that you need to remember. Okay. um nice. Any more questions, guys? Okay, let's plan this live sessions once in a week. Okay, so today I've got time. Hi Sonia, how are you doing? Today I got time, so I came live to you. Maybe let's catch up again on Sunday. Sunday or Saturday night. Saturday or night on Sunday, not Saturday night. Saturday morning. More Saturday morning will be fine, I guess. Anywhere. Um, in a week, let's catch up one time in live, so that the people who are on the community from 2.4 people. Oh, nice. Can you please me do on resume making based on job description? Very good. Nice question. Let me copy that question and add it in my to-do list. Um, very nice, Chick. Nice, nice. I have also never thought of it, but let me make it. Let me open my notepad. So based on job description, nice. See, what am I supposed to tell you here is, wait a second. Let me share my screen. Hope you are able to share the. Sorry, not share. Hope you are able to see my screen. Right. Okay. So there is a video. So here you go. So there is a video called "How to How to Write a Resume for Freshers Step by Step." Okay. So go to this particular video. So in that particular video, what I told you is like what are the sections that you need to add. Okay. So what are the keywords that you need to do? What are the keywords that not you need to do? That okay, that you should not add. Okay. So the my name and then experience, projects, to do list, and certifications. How you need to add your certifications. Workshops only in case if you are a fresher. Okay. So there are few things which I've told here. So these are the do's and don'ts. Okay, let me increase the high quality. Okay, so do's and don'ts. So this template, in case if you use this particular template which I have given, you'll be getting a ATS score of 60 plus. Okay, that's fine. That's average. That's fine. 60 plus is fine. But if you want to go with this 90 plus thing, then you need to add some keywords. Okay, so what you need to do, I've given the pics
Sorry.
in your resume or your, I think you need to get okay. Okay, so I've given this resume free for you all. Okay, so I've given you some 16 keywords. Okay, where it is, I think I have a question. Out the other sections line by line. Okay, that's fine. So once you click on this link, okay, share this tab instead. So opening the required document. So this is a document, guys. Sure, sure. Shake. So this is a document where you can add your full name, text stack, email number, phone number, address. Okay, experience. So your career objectives, experience, your company name. In case if you are a fresher and if you have done your internships, just add them here. Paid internship, which means like, see again, there is like slight confusion between the people. This pay internship concept, few companies what they did is like they have changed the internship concept to a learning concept. Okay, now what they're doing, like in the name of internship, they're charging from the students to train them. Okay, which usually it is not an internship, it's a learning based internship, which is a learning. You're paying and learning it. There is nothing special in it. Okay, you are not working on a real time project, right? Okay. Excuse me. The thing which I'm wanted to tell you is like, in case if you want to add anything in this particular section, just you need to make sure like whether the company is paying you or not, whether you are getting stipend, whether you are getting decent amount or not. So if not, in case if you don't get any decent amount from that particular company, you should not add it here. Just remember it. Okay. So and then your publications, I've told for students, you need to have one research paper from some training companies named as internships. So they name them it as an internship, but this corporate people won't consider it as an internship. It's a learning. You're learning something from the people. It doesn't come on an internship. But there are few companies, like there are software companies. What they do is like they will be taking the people from the colleges. They will be training you for 1 month. Okay, they will be giving you stipend. Okay, that's good. They will be giving you the stipend for 1 month, and remaining 2 months they will be allocating you to a project where you will be working on a real time project. So you will be having some nice hands on a real world project. But this training companies, what they're doing is like they're taking you. No, you should not add your freelancing book. Uh, what you can do is like in freelancing also, in case if you work on any project, you can add it in the project sections. Should not add it in your experience section. Okay, good, good question, good doubt. Okay, and so what I was telling. Hmm, did I forget what I was telling? Okay, sorry. I have this short tempered from my childhood. I don't know what I. Okay, let's come back to the publications. Okay, so I'm telling like each student have this Oh, okay, okay. Now I got. Okay, so uh, these training institutions, you should not add these training institution certifications in your experience column, and this freelancer work also you should not add unless and until if you work on this entire project. You can add that in the project section. Okay, I worked in so and so project as a developer, so and so, so and so. Okay, done. And then your projects description to do main functionality, and your certifications also. So there are few people who added it like java certification from so and so with the 95% so and so something. Okay, that is not the manner that's not the manner to add. So there is a certain format in your certifications also. Certified in HTML and CSS course from Udemy. Certified in Java full stack course from so and so. Okay, Coursera or something. And when your certificate, these certifications are from the third party applications, right? So when you get the value of a certification is when you do that particular certification from that introducer company. Didn't get right. So for example, React was developed by Facebook. Am I correct? React developed by okay. Nice. React developed by Meta, which is a Facebook. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to get the certification from the Facebook or the Meta, that okay, Mr. Sheikh as certified in React.js. Okay, so now the Facebook have certified you that the particular certification. Okay, this particular language and stuff. That's how the certification adds a value to your resume to you also. But for that particular examination, you need to pay a lot of lump sum. Sometimes it will be like 30K, sometimes it is 50K. If in case if you don't clear that exam, again you need to pay it and write. So we can't pay that much as a student to do one particular certifications. And there is this certifications, the Cisco and ethical hacking certifications also. I think we need to pay 30K, which is huge. 30K, then you will be getting like ethical hacking certified from the, I don't know the name, uh, from the cyber security something. I don't know the particular name, but you'll be getting certified as a ethical hacker. Okay, so but we need to pay for that exam. You need to clear that exam to get certified. Okay, okay, okay. Did I stop sharing? Sorry, sorry. So where are we? Okay, the certifications and your technical skills. Right, nicely. And this technical skills also. How you need to mention is 1 second. Okay, they went. This technical skills also. How you need to mention is like they mention the topics which which you're confident enough to speak in front of others. Okay, like if I know encapsulation, I'll be writing like Java encapsulation. If I don't know encapsulation, what is encapsulation? code and data binded together into a single unit. If I don't know this particular line, I won't gather what is encapsulation. And one thing which you need to remember is, in case if you add anything in this particular technical skills section, you should know one basic program on that particular topic. Make sense? If you add encapsulation, you should know one basic example of encapsulation program which you can do online, on live, which you can do. So you should learn on, not learn, which you can do on live. Okay, so if I add polymorphism, I should be in a position to do the polymorphism example on live in front of the instructor, not instructor, in front of the interviewer. Okay, that's how you need to train. So in case if I add SQL, if I add left join and right join, now you should create your own tables to create a left join and right join in front of the interviewer. If you are confident only, add it, or else remove it. Okay, just add by section, and then your education, your degree, college name, your pass out batch, and then PG or then the class. Okay, these are my college degree names. Okay, these are my pass out years, don't worry. And this degree also, people should mention like btech, not btech, b.tech, your college name, department computer science and engineering, your CGPA, so and so. Career gap వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి any suggestions based on current scenarios? um Career gap unte, see bro, what is happening is, they are not worrying about your gap. Okay, so పట్టించుకోవట్లేదు గ్యాప్ గురించి ఎవరు. ఏంటంటే నీకు పర్టికులర్ స్కిల్ ఉందా లేదా, వన్ థింగ్, నీ స్కిల్ అయితే పక్కా చెక్ చేస్తారు. రెజ్యూమ్లో గ్యాప్ వాటి గురించి ఏం పట్టించుకో. ఫస్ట్ నీ బ్రెయిన్ నుంచి ఆ థాట్ తీసే, నా కెరీర్లో గ్యాప్ ఉంది, అసలు నాకు జాబ్ వస్తుందా లేదా అని థాట్ తీసే ఫస్ట్. జాబ్ పక్కా వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఒక సర్టెన్ రోల్కి వెళ్ళాలని ఉంటుంది కదా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు డెవాప్స్ రోల్కి వెళ్ళాలని ఉంది అనుకోండి బ్రో. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేస్తానంటే, నాకు డెవాప్స్ రోల్కి ఏవైతే కావాలో టెక్నాలజీకి సంబంధించినవన్నీ నేను నేర్చేసుకుంటా. నేర్చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్కి ఏం కావాలి, నీకైతే నీ జాబ్ ప్రకారంగా మీరైతే మీ స్కిల్ సెట్ నేర్చేసుకున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్కి ఏం కావాలి, మార్కెట్కి డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్గరిథమ్స్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఈ డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్గరిథమ్ మార్కెట్ బేస్డ్ బై ది ఇండస్ట్రీస్ వీళ్ళ ప్రకారం ప్రిపేర్ అవుతూ వెళ్ళాలి. అవి చేయాలంటే ఆన్లైన్లో కోచింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి మనం. అవన్నీ సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళామనుకో, బేసికలీ జాబ్ పర్పస్గా మన డెవాప్స్ మొత్తం అయిపోయింది. ఇది ఐటీ ప్రకారంగా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని సాల్వ్ చేసి డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్గరిథమ్స్ అన్ని నేర్చేసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైపోయిందంటే, ఒక్కసారి మనం ఇంటర్వ్యూ ప్యానెల్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత వీళ్ళేం డైరెక్ట్గా సిస్టమ్ ఇచ్చేసి డూ కోడ్ అంటారు. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు. రీసెంట్గా ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయింది మా ఫ్రెండ్కి. ఏమైందంటే, వాళ్ళు అప్లై చేశారనమాట డెవాప్స్ పొజిషన్కి. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డెవాప్స్ పొజిషన్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు, ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఏమీ అడగలేదు. హలో, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్ అని అడిగేసి జస్ట్ ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చారనమాట. కాంబినేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సంథింగ్ ఇన్ పైథాన్. ఈ టోల్డ్ హిమ్ టు డూ కోడ్. ఒక 1 అవర్ ఇచ్చేసారు, కోడ్ చేసి అన్నాడు. అండ్ ఆ 1 అవర్‌లో జస్ట్ ఆ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇలా కూర్చొని చూస్తున్నాడంట. మనోడు కష్టపడ్డారు ఆ కోడ్ రాయటానికి. ఎందుకంటే అది డీఎస్సీ క్వెషన్. సో, బేసికల్లీ మనోడికి టచ్ లేదు. సో, ఏమైందంటే సాల్వ్ చేయలేకపోయాడు. బట్ ఇంకొకరిని నేను రిఫర్ చేశా. మనోడు సాల్వ్ చేసాడు. సాల్వ్ చేసిన తర్వాత నుంచి ఈ డెవాప్స్ సైడ్ ఏవైతే నేర్చుకున్నాడో ఆ క్వెషన్స్ అడగటం స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు. సో, తనకు కూడా గ్యాప్ ఉంది. తనకెంత నాకు తెలిసి తనకు 1 ఇయర్ గ్యాప్ ఉందనుకుంటా. 1 ఇయర్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది. గ్యాప్ గురించి ఏం పట్టించుకోలే. 85,000 సాలరీ ఇచ్చాడు. ఆడు థాంక్స్ బ్రో, సూపర్ బ్రో అన్నాడు. నాదేం లేదు బ్రో, మీరు చేసుకున్నాడు. పండగ చేసుకున్నా అని చెప్పా. ఇలా ఉంటది బ్రో. సో, కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ థాట్ తీసేసే బ్రెయిన్‌లో నుంచి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నైస్ స్కిల్ సెట్. మీరు ఏ డొమైన్‌లోకెళ్ళిపోతున్నా ఆ డొమైన్‌లో ఫుల్ నాలెడ్జ్ తెచ్చుకున్న తర్వాత సాల్వ్ ఆల్ దిస్ డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్గరిథమ్స్ చాలు. పీక్స్‌కెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో, అలానే ఉంటది బ్రో. గ్యాప్ గురించి అంతేం పట్టించుకోకు బ్రో. ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్ ఇప్పుడేం చెల్లవు అయన్నీ గ్యాప్‌లు గీప్‌లు. ముందైతే కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు పట్టించుకున్నారు గానీ, ఇప్పుడు మనోళ్ళకి ఎలా అయిపోయిందంటే, మాక్సిమం ఏఐ వచ్చేసింది కదా! ఏఐ చేస్తది కదా! అనే పాయింట్‌లో ఉన్నారు. బట్ ఏఐ మిస్టేక్స్ చేస్తది. సో, వి నీడ్ డెవలపర్స్. సో, డెవలపర్స్ హాస్ టు థింక్ లాజికల్లీ. ఓకేనా? లాజికల్ థింక్ చేస్తే తప్ప మనకు కోడ్ రాదు. అదైతే జీపీటీ అనుకో సంథింగ్ ఏదో ప్రాంప్ట్ ప్రకారంగా ఇచ్చేస్తది. బట్ వి క్యాన్ టేక్ డిసిషన్స్. మనం మల్టిపుల్ డిసిషన్ ట్రీస్ టైప్ అనమాట. ఈ సొల్యూషన్ కాకపోతే ఈ సొల్యూషన్కి వెళ్ళిపోతే ఈ సొల్యూషన్ కాకపోతే ఈ సొల్యూషన్ అట్ లాస్ట్ ఆప్టిమల్ సొల్యూషన్ రీచ్ అయిపోతాం. బట్ ఈ చాట్ జీపీటీలో ఏంటంటే డైరెక్ట్గా ఆప్టిమల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. అది కరెక్టో రాంగో దానికి కూడా తెలియదు, ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, అలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, ఇంకేం డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి బ్రో, పర్లేదు, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. అండ్ లెట్స్ సీ దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో మీన్ వైల్. ఓకేనా, వర్క్ షాప్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఓకేనా, తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా? ఓకే, లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ in English also. English only. Uh, so these workshops you add only if you are a fresher. So as a fresher, you'll be as a fresher you'll be not doing any internships in case if you don't have any internship or an experience. In that position only you need to add your workshops. Okay, your college might be conducting some workshops, right? So like HTML workshop or AWS workshop. So if you are a fresher and in case if you don't have any experience, then only you need to add you this workshop section, or else you should not add this particular section. Okay, and at last your declaration. Okay, I hereby declare the above details are true to by best of my knowledge. Your date, your signature. Okay, and then these are the few notes which I personally made these notes. Okay, so there is a formal. This is the formal template that most of the organization prefer, but make it ATS friendly as per the requirement of your job profile. So I think Sheikh have asked to based on the job description. So I'll be creating a resume based on the job description. I'll be taking few job description. I'll be framing nice couple of resumes. Okay, don't worry. I'll be bringing that video slowly. Okay, so use the fonts that I mentioned in the document. So I've used certain fonts like 14, 12 size, times new Roman all. So use that fonts only, and make sure the entire resume fits in the single page. If not, no problem, but as a fresher make sure it fits in the single page. Okay, in case if there is any not graph gap, just reduce that. Okay, and then don't add your pics in your resume. One thing, just remove your pics. No one sees at your picture, remove your picture. Okay, and if you don't have any particular section, just remove it and continue with the remaining. So there are few sections which I mentioned, section by section. In case if you don't have any section, just remove it and continue with the remaining sections. Okay, don't add the minor projects like Zomato clone, etc., which means like you watch these YouTube videos, Zomato clone, WhatsApp clone, ChatGPT clone, and IMDb clone. Okay, so these are just learning projects, so not add that projects in your resume. Okay, like there are million people who will be doing the same projects, and what's the difference between you and them? Nothing, right? They are just learning by doing, and you are just learning by doing. No difference, but you need to do your own projects. Okay, so you should come up with your own requirements, own projects, own designs. Okay, then only you should add that in your particular project section. Okay, don't add your strengths, soft skills, languages, activities, achievements, hobbies, personal details. Especially personal details you should not add. Hobbies you should not add. Your achievements somewhat, in case if you don't have anything special in your resume to showcase, then you can add that also. Not like I am a 100-meter straight runner, or else I'm a chess championship. So that's good. They are really good, but you should not add them. This guy came. 1 second, guys. Fire వద్దురా live లో ఉన్నా. యా, ఏంటో చెప్తానండి. ఎస్, మనం మాట్లాడతాం. మా ప్రేక్షకులు ఇదోరా. ఉమ్. ఓ, సర్లే రెండు బింగో పైకి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Okay, so where we are, then you should not add your strengths, your soft skills, language achievements, hobbies, personal details. You should not add them, just remove that. Okay, so if you are a fresher, you can add the workshop section just below your education section. Okay, if you have an experience, don't add. Okay, don't mock your technical skills, which I told. In case if you add any technical skills section, you should be in a position to do one example program based on that particular or else you should not add. Then if you mention anything in your resume, make sure that you know about it in and out, full in-depth knowledge you should have on that particular topic. And then your project name, technology use. Okay, that's how you need to add your projects. ಇವ್ರಾ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ವೇದನವರ್ದು. That guy, see, he's in front of me and pushing messages in chat. Okay. Okay, and then so that's how you need to add your project name. So for example, uh, btechcareerguide slash technology use React and Laravel, and project React MongoDB, etc., etc. Always use straight pipe symbols to separate between anything. So use straight pipe symbol. Okay, and then let's see a few more things. Don't split your technical skills into separate sections as web technologies, frameworks, program languages, databases, tools. Okay. So I've seen many people resume, they have split their technical skill. They keep this setting called technical skills, and then they'll be splitting all those things: web technologies, frameworks, programming languages, database, tools, and OS also. Some people OS, Windows, Linux. Okay, so you should not add them. And then if you don't want to add any outside links, use corresponding images or the hyperlinks as I did for GitHub. So here is the resume, right? So in case if you want to add anything, so there's a symbol and just give hyperlink for that symbol. Okay, hope it makes sense. That's how you need to do. And there are a few more things. Don't commit any spelling mistakes. Okay, so you should not add any spelling mistakes in your resume. That's really very bad in case if you add any spelling mistakes. And there are few people resume which I've seen, they commit mistakes in their career objective itself. Like they won't capitalize anything, they won't capitalize I somewhere. Okay, and use only horizontal fonts, not vertical column wise format. Okay, this is a horizontal manner, so this is vertical column wise. Just not do column wise manner, just go with the horizontal format. Okay, no personal details as I already told, so I've given separately. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to BTechCareerGuide channel. This is the link which I mentioned. Okay, let me stop sharing. So that's the thing, guys. So that's all about the resume. But I'll be getting the new video on resume. How we need to do based on your job description. Okay, don't worry. I'll be doing lot of things. This guy is doing magic. Okay, so till then, have a nice day. It's really good catching up. So in case if you have any doubts, I'll be giving you 5 more minutes so that you can come up with your doubts, guys. Or else I'll be wrapping up the session. You, and we'll take sessions. We'll take sessions, and I'll be taking one UX and UI session also. Don't worry. Esko parledu. Okay, guys. It's really good catch up with you. Let's catch up in next session. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Okay, so I also thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. Drink water. Have a nice food. Oh, sorry. Have a nice food. Drink water. Then sleep nicely. Bye. Bye.